Hello everyone, welcome to Pratibha Education. Today we are going to see some more problems in mensuration, class 8 CBSE. Surface area of cuboid 2 into LB, length into breadth plus length into height plus breadth into height square units. So this is the formula given to find out the surface area of cuboid 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H square units. We see one problem. I read the question. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the inner of the room and ceiling at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. So what we have to find out now? So we need to find out how much cost required to whitewash this room. So whitewashing, what we do in whitewashing, only the walls and the top of the room only we white. So length is given, L is equal to 5 meter, breadth is given 4 meter and height is given 3 meter. So put these values in the formula. Area of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. 2 into, what is the length? 5 meters. 5 into breadth 4 plus length 5 meter and breadth height 3 meters, breadth 4 meter, height 3 meters. So 5 4s 20, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. 2 into 20 35 plus 12 40, 35 plus 12 47. Two 47s are 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 94. So the area of the cuboid is 94 meter square. But here in whitewashing we need not whitewash the floor. So we have to subtract this surface area of the floor from this total surface area of a cuboid. So first we have to find out the area of the floor. Area of the floor is nothing but the length into breadth. What is length is given? 5 meter and breadth is given 4. 5 4s are 20 meters square. So this area should be subtracted from this room, total area of this room. That is 94 minus 20 is equal to 74 meter square. So this is the area which we whitewash. I am rubbing this one. Area required to whitewash is 74 meters square. So in the question, what is given? At the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. So per square meter the cost of painting the wall, so the cost of painting the room is rupees 50 per square meter. So cost of painting per square meter given rupees 50. So for 74 meter, multiply 74 meters with 50. 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 3700 rupees 3700. It's a cost of painting the room. Cost of painting the room, that is room and the ceiling, given rupees 3700. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.